Hello guys, so today we're going to see building structure of G plus 2 or something with long span of 20 meter span. So how the beams going to react and what will be the function we're going to see. So go to new, open our Staadpro software, go to new project, click on space, and give a name as beam span 20. So whatever name would you like to give, you can give. Okay, click on finish. So we have opened our interface, right? So now I'm going to edit, go to exit axis, click on OK. So here we have only 10 meters, so I'm going to change this to division of 20 and this also division of 20. So right, so for this I'm going to take length of 10 meters, right? So from here to, I'm going to take this as 15 and this one is span of how much? 20, right? So it will be of 19, right? So I'm going to take from here to here and from here to here, here to here and here, right? So after that, in middle, I'm going to take this the load combinations from over here, right? So after that, from this 10 to over here. So like this, I'm going to take, right? So now we need to select all this, go to translation and repeat, y-axis of 3 meters height. I'm going to take 3 steps, click on link steps and OK. So delete and S. So here we can see, right? So now we need to add the plates for this. So go to format plate. So I'm selecting as the whole span as one plate. So and the second one. So and for the third one, right? If you go to 3D, here we can see our slabs, right? So after that, we need to give the support. So go to the front view, go to the general, go to supports, create, click on fixed, select this one and add over here. So go to 3D, we can see over here, click on assign and yes. So we see supports won't be visible in this, right? 3D. It's only the elements that will be representing in our diagram. Okay. So after that, we're going to give the property for this, right? So for this, go to define. So for this, we are going to take this as the circular columns and these are the rectangles, or we will take both the rectangles only, right? So we will try another time. For this, I'm going to select this as the columns as how much? For this, we are going to take the column size as so 0.45 because I'm taking it as 18 by 18 inch. So I'm going to take this as so further. No, I'm going to take this as 2.5, right? And next for my beams, I'm going to take as 0.35 by 0.3. So click on add and close it. So go to thickness, give it as 0.125, close. So here I'm going to take this one as 4 columns, parallel to Y, assign and S. Go to plate thickness, assign to view, assign and close. So it will be assign, right? So here we can see our building structure of our size, right? So and next we're going to assign this one, select beams parallel to X, beams parallel to Z, right? So after that we need to assign this. So if we go to our 3D, so here we can see our building with this size of columns and beams, right? So now again go to modeling, so go to general, now go to materials, on concrete, assign to view, assign and S. So it has SN, right? So now we need to give the load combinations for this. So here I am not going to take any wind because I don't like the wind. Okay. So now go to live load, add the real, enter. Now select the live load, select this one, add something, give name. So we have added the live load. Okay. So now we have to take the dead loads. Okay. So go to add. So now add the sulfate. So go to the member load. So for member load we need to calculate, right? So for that, what sections we have given. So we can see over here properties. So of how much? 4, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5 and 3. So 4, 5 and 2, 5, right? So now go to load combinations. Here select this one, add member load, save this. Member load, go to calculator, 0.45 into 0.25 into 25. So how much? 2 point minus 2.8125. Click on add. So next our combination is 0.35 into 0.3 into 25. So how much? Minus 2.625. On add, and then for the slab 0.125 into 25. So how much? 3.125. Minus 3.125. Add and close. So right now assign the sulfate, assign to view, assign and close. Now select this one, go to select beams parallel to Y, assign the selected beams, assign and close. Select this one for our beams, right? Beams parallel to X, beams parallel to Z. Assign the selected beams, assign and close. And this for our slabs, select the plates. This for our beams, right? So assign to view, assign and close. So right. So we have assigned all our loads. So here we can see. So this is the loads on the column. This for the beams and this for the beams. Now go to live load, add. So we're going to take the area load or floor load for these buildings. -3. The height of how much? 3.9, right? Add and close. So here we can see the load combinations for this. So the loads acting on it. So now we have assigned our materials or not? Yes, we have assigned, right? So now it's time for the analysis. Go to analysis, click on add and close. Analysis and run analysis and save. So we are done with 0 errors. Go to post processing. Click on OK. So here we can see the deflections. of these beams and moments, what if I Z. Okay. So now we'll go to the concrete design. So here we get all the envelopes. You go to envelope, go to new envelope, con concrete, con. Okay. Uncheck this, select these combinations. Okay. So after that, we need to select all the members, auto members, click on auto form members. Okay. So after that, go to groups and briefs, go to new brief, give it as beams, and the code is BS8110. Okay. Select beams, on OK. So main reinforcement 12, and this is 10, on OK. So again go to new brief, columns, select this as columns. For this you need to 4, 5, 6, on OK. So what the factors we are going to take? M20. So column factors, numbers, everything we can click on OK, right? So after that we need to go to front view. Now select all the beams, go to 3D, select all of them, go to new design group, select this as beams and OK. So and after that we can also select columns, right? So we have selected all this, go to new design group, select this as columns, on OK. Now go to concrete member, design, click on design. Okay. Some briefs, so take all the numbers. Design. Okay. So in the brief we haven't added any load combinations. We'll close this. We'll do for the beams, right? So we